Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we'll show you how to get Kimberly's exclusive weapon in Last War Survival. First, you must have Kimberly, then upgrade her to 5 stars. The weapon cannot be activated until she's 5 stars, so no 5-star Kimberly, no weapon. Simple. For the weapon shards, originally these shards came from the Season 1 event. If that's already over, you can still find shards in places like black market events, dual event, reward chests. Both options are totally free to play. Once you have 50 Kimberly exclusive weapon shards and a 5-star Kimberly, you can unlock and activate her exclusive weapon called Rocket Shadow. After activation, you can keep leveling it up using universal exclusive weapon shards, which are available in event chests and special activities. Pro tip, you'll need nearly 2,900 total shards to max it out, so don't waste them. So again, 5-star Kimberly, grab those shards from the black market and dual events, unlock Rocket Shadow, and start upgrading. Easy win. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.